Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So today again we are here for learning science. So let's start our today's lecture. As you know, I am your science teacher Mubasir Ramesh from Mahdi School, and today we continue lesson number 4, plant as food activity. So today we also revised lesson number 3, parts of the plant, and we learn different parts of the plant we eat, but we learn about different kind of food we get from plant. So let's start our today's lecture with one beautiful line. So what is the line? That just don't quit. And other line is just do it. So in this one line you can see two quotes here, that just do it anyhow, and if you do this work then just don't quit. If you face problems then continue doing this and don't quit. So let's start our today's topic, that plant as food, our lesson number 4. So in this lesson we learn about different types of food we get from plant. So we do this activity worksheet with what we learn in lesson number 4. So lesson number 4 is plant as food. In this lesson we learn about different kind of food we get from plant and we eat. So today we see the different part of the plant which we eat and which part of the plant it is. So we learn in this lesson that there are 5 parts of the plant. We learn that plant has many parts. Which are they? Roots, stem, leaf, flower and fruit. So plant has 5 parts. Now let's see that which part has what work. So first is root. Root is the underground part of the plant. Root is the part of the plant that fixes plant to the ground. So now we learn today that which part of the plant we eat and which is root, which is leaf, which is fruit, which is flower. So when we see the fruit or vegetable which is growing underground, they all are root vegetables or fruit. Then second part of the plant is stem. So stem is a part of the plant which carries water and food to all parts of the plant. So now here you can see the picture of sugar cane, and we also learned that sugar cane is a stem we eat. Third is leaf. So leaf is very important part of the plant. Why? Because leaf is kitchen of the plant and leaf make food for plant with help of sunlight, air and water. So we learn that leaf is the kitchen of the plant and we also eat so many types of leaf. Then flower, the part of the plant that changes into the fruit. Next part of the plant is fruit. Fruit is a part of the plant which contains seeds. In previous lecture we learned about fruits and we see that which fruit has how many seeds, and we also learn about color of fruits. So today we learn that which part of the plant we eat and how we identify. So fruit is a part of the plant which contains seed. We also learn that some vegetables which we eat is the part of the plant fruit. So some vegetables are also fruit of the plant. This we learn in lesson number 4. So today we learn that which vegetables we eat and how we identify. So let's see that what we learn about vegetables and fruits. So we all learn about root vegetable, stem vegetable, leaf vegetable and flower we eat. So first we revise that what we learn in lesson number 4. So first part of the plant which start growing is root. So first we learn that root we eat. So which roots we eat? Remember we learned that how we grow carrot and where carrot grow, right? So the root vegetables are grow underground. Why? Because root is growing underground. That's why we called it underground part of the plant. So root vegetable is onion which we eat. We use in diet food also, and we use onion in adding flavor to our dishes. So root vegetable we eat is onion, carrot and beetroot, and many others like garlic and radish. All are root vegetables which we eat. So when we learn about root vegetables, we learn that how we grow carrot. That carrot start growing from the roots and carrot grow from the cap of the carrot. So most of the roots are growing underground, and when it growing and stem start growing, we take out the plant. Why? Because roots we eat are underground part of the plant. So if we not take out roots after stem start growing, then root grow very fast. So that's why we take out roots. So onion, carrot and beetroot are the root of the plant which we eat. So we called it root vegetables. Then next is stem we eat. So the stem which grow up on the ground, and it may be soft, it may be strong, it may be very soft. So these all are stem we eat. So which we eat? Potato. We learn about potato that potato is most used vegetable in all over the world, not only in India but all over the world. So potato is stem we eat. We also learn that potato grow like roots, but it is a stem of the plant. Then sugarcane. So we get sugar which adds sweet flavor to our food from sugarcane, and sugarcane is a stem of the plant. Then next is ginger, or ginger also grow like potato and sugarcane, and it is a stem of the plant. We add ginger in our food for taste. We also use ginger as medicine. Leaf we eat. So when we learn about leaf, that leaf is a kitchen of the plant, and flowers and fruits start growing after leaf. Why? Because leaf make food for plant, and this food help flower and fruit to growing. So let's see which leaf we eat. Yes, it is cabbage. So when we cut the cabbage, we see that cabbage is the look like ball, but it is a leaf ball. So when we take out leaf and we cut it, then we understand that cabbage is leaf we eat. Then next is spinach. So spinach is a very healthy food, and it is also leaf of the plant. Coriander we use to garnish food, and we also make sauce of it, and it is also used in medicines. It is also help to our eyes. Then flower we eat. Which flowers we eat? cauliflower and broccoli. It's look same but it is different because one is green and one is white. So cauliflower is flower we eat. We also learn that flowers like rose add flavor to our cold drinks and many other things. Then fruit we eat, so many fruits we eat, mango, watermelon, banana and some vegetables like brinjal and tomatoes are also fruit of the plant. So these all things we learn in this lesson. So today we learn with this activity that which fruit or vegetable or other things we get from plant and which part of the plant that. So like yesterday's lecture, we have to tick mark the things. So, what is today's topic? That identify part of the plant, root, stem, leaf, flower or fruit. So, these all are parts of the plant, but the activity is that we have to tick mark that this is a root or this is a flower or this is a stem. So, let's start our today's activity. Here you can see the picture of activity. There are 5 columns. So, we have to tick mark and in first picture we see, then we write the name of this part of the plant and we tick mark it. So, let's start. Let's see which is the first one. So here we have 2 vegetables, right? When we learn about fruits and vegetables, we learn that onion is a vegetable and potato is also vegetable. So let's see first what is the name of this vegetable. So first is potato and second you can see onion. So we have 2 vegetables, right? Onion and potato. So let's write about onion. So when we see onion, that onion is a root vegetable, right? Why? Because onion growing underground. So we tick mark in root. Why? Because onion is a root of the plant. So what we have to do here? Here we have 5 part of the plant: root, stem, leaf, flower and fruit. We have to tick mark the right one, that vegetable or fruit we consider in root or stem, leaf or flower. So first is onion. So onion is a root of the plant. So in other 4 columns what we have to do? Is that a stem onion? No. Why? Because it is a root of the plant. Is that a leaf? No, because we know that onion is a root of the plant. So other 4 boxes we fill with cross mark. Why? Because we already tick mark the right one. So when we learn about onion, we learn that some people consider onion in stem also, but in our country and most people are consider onion in root. So onion is a root vegetable which we eat. So onion we add in root of the plant. Now second is potato. We make many things from potato like potato chips, potato fries. We make different types of balls from potato. We use as proper meal also. So here is a potato. So potato is the root of the plant, stem of the plant, leaf of the plant, flower of the plant or fruit of the plant. So when we learn about potato, that potato is a which part of the plant? Let's see. So first is root. So is that a root of the plant? It's grow underground. Yes or no? Yes, it is grow underground. But is that a root? You can see the picture of onion. So you can see roots in onion, but you cannot see root in potato. So what we do in root box? We put here wrong mark. Why? Because potato is not root of the plant. Then next, stem. So when we learn about stem, we learn that stem is the second part of the plant which start growing up on the ground. Right? So potato is the stem of the plant. Yes, you can see the potato is strong like stem, but we cut it and we eat. So stem is a right one. So we put here right mark. Then leaf, no. Why? Because potato is the stem of the plant. So other three, leaf, flower and fruit, what we do there? We put here wrong mark. Why? Because potato is stem we eat. Then let's see which are other one. Yes, we have two things which we get from plant. First is apple and second is cabbage. So here first we write the name of these two food which we get from plant, apple and cabbage. Now apple is a fruit we eat. We all know about apple. So where we tick mark? We tick mark in fruit. So let's start with roots. So in roots box what we do? We put here then stem, we cross it, then leaf, we cross it, then flower and fruit. So what we do in fruits box? Right or wrong? Right. Why? Because apple is a fruit we eat. So we put here right mark. Then next, second one, cabbage. Now you can see here cabbage, it's look like flower. So maybe it is flower of the plant. Right or wrong? Let's see. First we start with root. Cabbage is the root of the plant. You can see here cabbage. Cabbage grow underground. Yes or no? No. So what we do in roots box? We put wrong mark in roots box. Then stem. So I don't think it is a stem. When we learn about stem is a part of the plant which is very strong, right? So it is maybe soft but it is not look like stem, right? So we put here wrong mark. Then leaf. Is that leaf of the plant? You can see here cabbage, right? You can see leaf also which combined and making one ball. So cabbage is a leaf we eat. Right? So what we do in leaf box? We make right mark. Then next one is flower. What we do there? Wrong mark. And fruit. So apple is a fruit we eat and cabbage is a leaf we eat. Now let's see which is the next one. Yes, which vegetables we have? White color and orange color, right? So which vegetable it is? First is cauliflower and second is carrot. So we learn about these two vegetables, right? First is cauliflower, second is carrot. So let's see which part of the plant it is. Root and stem and leaf and flower and fruit. So first we start with root. So is that a root of the plant cauliflower? You can see here. Yes or no? No. Why? Because cauliflower grow on the ground, not underground. So we put wrong mark in it. Then stem, it's look like stem. Yes or no? No. So we put wrong mark in stem. Then next leaf. You can see here leaf. But cauliflower is covered with leaf. Right? So cauliflower is leaf? No. So what we do there? Wrong mark. Then flower. So it's look like flower, right? When we learn about flower, rose flower, right? So we see that rose flower is covered with leaf. So here you can see cauliflower is also covered with leaf, right? So we put here right mark in flower. Why? Because cauliflower is flower we eat. And you see the spelling of cauliflower. There is a flower in the spelling. So cauliflower is flower we eat. So we put wrong mark in fruit because cauliflower is a flower we eat. The next one is carrot, right? So we learn about carrot, right? We grow the plant of carrot also. Where carrot grow? Carrot grow underground. So carrot is a root of the plant, right? So we learn about carrot, that carrot is the underground part of the plant, and underground part of the plant we called it root. So other four: fruit, leaf, flower and stem. What we do there? Wrong, right? So we write here wrong mark. So, two vegetables, cauliflower and carrot. Cauliflower is the flower of the plant. You can see here, and carrot is the root of the plant, right? So, let's see which is the next one. Again, it is two vegetables, right? So, maybe it is a cauliflower, right? First one. Yes, it is green cauliflower. Is that a cauliflower? No. So which vegetable it is? Yes, it is broccoli. So broccoli, it same look like cauliflower, but it is not cauliflower, it is broccoli. The color of broccoli is green. And the second one is ginger. So we learn about ginger, that ginger we use in making tea also, in medicines also. We make a paste of ginger and add in our food for taste, right? So ginger is a add taste in our food. Now let's see, first is broccoli. So broccoli is the root. You can see here broccoli. It's look like root. No. So what we put in roots box? Wrong mark. Then is that a stem? There is stem in broccoli. You can see here. But the whole part is stem. Yes or no? No. So we wrong mark. Then next is leaf. So you can see here any leaf in broccoli? I cannot see any leaf there. So again cross mark. Then flower. Now when we learn about cauliflower, and cauliflower is part of the plant. Which part? Yes, flower. And the broccoli is also look like flower. And also look like cauliflower. So like cauliflower and broccoli, both are flower we eat. So what we do in flowers box? Right, Mike. Why? Because broccoli is flower we eat. Right? So we tick mark there. Right. The next one is fruit. So obviously if we tick mark in flower, then what we do in fruits box? We cross mark then. Then next is ginger. So ginger, it's look like roots, but it is not root of the plant. When we see the plant of ginger, we see that ginger growing like stem, not like roots. Right? So we cross in roots box, and you can see here it's look like stem. So where we tick mark? We tick mark in stem. And other three, leaf, flower and fruit. Right? So we cross here. So broccoli is flower we eat and ginger is stem we eat. Then let's see next one. It is garlic, right? So you can see here it's look like cashew nuts, right? But it is garlic. Don't eat like nuts. So which fruits and vegetables and root, leaf, flower, whatever it is, we have to tick mark there. So first is garlic and second is tomato. So first we fill the box of garlic, right? So when we see garlic, it's look like onion. We learned that we also eat green garlics, right? So when we see the roots of the garlic, we see that it is growing underground part of the plant. It's look like onion, and onion is the root of the plant, right? So here you can see the garlic. So garlic is the root of the plant or stem of the plant. It's look like flower, but is that a flower? No, because when we see garlic, the top of the garlic is have roots, right? So garlic is a root we eat. It's not flower. It is look like flower, but it is not flower of the plant, because garlic grow underground. So garlic is a root we eat. So other four boxes: stem, leaf, flower and fruit, we fill with cross mark. Then next is tomato. Now tomato is vegetable, right? Now is that a root or stem or leaf? It's look like flower also. So tomato is which part of the plant? Here you can see root. So is tomato growing underground? You can see here any root? No. So tomato is not root of the plant. Then stem. So when we learn about sugarcane, when we learn about potato, and we learn about ginger also, right? So it's look like ginger or potato or sugarcane? No, no. One more thing, there is a seed inside tomato. So which part of the plant contains seeds? We learn about this, right? Which part of the plant contains seed? Fruits. So tomato is a fruit we eat, right? We learn that tomato is vegetable, but the part of the plant, tomato is fruit. So where we tick mark? We tick mark in fruit. So here is two vegetables, garlic and tomato. Garlic is the root we eat and tomato is fruit we eat, right? So tomato is fruit of the plant. Why? Because tomato contains seed inside it, and we learn that tomato is fruit of the plant, and many people and scientists consider tomato in fruit, but we use in our food as vegetable. So what we learned today? We learned today about the different parts of the plant which we eat, and we identify that is that a root, fruit, flower, stem or leaf. So I hope you all understand that how we identify the different part of the plant which we eat. So take care of yourself and stay healthy.